So this is my next part of 250cc Power Wheels. I got the center line on here, somewhere I put it, like right here somewhere, I don't know. And I lined it up with here and got this hole cut so this can come down. I just have to take my exhaust and carburetor off so it sits down and that'll go up on top of the hood. And I'll sit up nice. Starting mocking this up, my metal piping showed up for my frame. So now I can cut whatever I need off of this and make my new frame with this for my Jeep. So that's exciting. So now I can actually start fabricating with metal. So that's where I'm at right now. This is what I want it to sit, where I want it to sit. And it's coming out of the hood. It looks great. You got everything where I want it. The exhaust will come around here and then I'll find a place to put it. We got the carburetor that goes back here. Probably like right into the windshield right here. And then the frame's gonna come like from like suspension up here. This is all gap back here. So it can come back and then to the rear end. Same thing on the other side, that gap right there. And then it'll follow the Jeep body. Then we have this way out here. So by steering all the way, it should just barely miss that because it won't be steering this far because it's laying out. So it'll be like that. And that'll be inside of the tire right there. And same thing for the front. The inside tire should be right here and up and down with travel. So it should be good right there. The back will be like level with the front and the seat and all the rest of it. But I'm trying to figure this out. So now I'm gonna mock up the front suspension to like, hopefully I can build something today. That would be nice. But I don't know. So I got that all figured out. I just finished cutting that part out of the frame. I'm gonna clean this up maybe. I'm just gonna see how it fits and then maybe clean it up. Depends on how it fits. So I'm gonna go try that out. I got everything mocked up where it needs to be. Got this tilted back exactly where it needs to be because this was up from the middle of the bolt to the floor, which I had it laying out there, was 3 inches. So I got that perfectly aligned. We got, it all fits in here. And up here, I'm gonna probably like make a bumper, or like something that follows this, or something cool up here. Like make a bumper up here, something cool. It looks cool up here. It looks pretty nice with the engine there. Lines up pretty good, right on there. We need to put something here on an angle up for this. Chop whatever else is left off, and then move it back as much as possible. We're gonna make them come up and through this gap through here to the back, and one under right against the engine on the bottom to the back. And then I took the brakes off just to sit here. Then we need the steering that comes from here up U-joint all the way out to steering wheel right here, and hopefully it's not too low for whatever. And that's where I'm at. Looks pretty good. So that's where I'm at right now. And I need to put the brake lines through here up somewhere, but that's also later. I got everything lined up where it needs to be. So I just lined up by the back months ago. So I want the shock. So this is like the shock doesn't move, like just move that bit. So it's exactly where I need the shock. So I'm gonna have the frame come up here, and like I have something that comes to here, come up from the bottom, like support all this here, and then come up through the body here, and like have a support like from like the body mounts or the body things go around here. So like put 2 bars here, then I'll put the seat right behind the shock. So when this will be higher, and that will be tilted up. So when that should be like bottom travel, right there. So when it swings down, the tires won't be that far back. It'll be like perfectly right, like perfectly straight under. And the seat will have more clearance. And same thing for the front. It'll be like down more and more under the fender, but the seat will be behind there. So when it's all the way up, the seat will sit right here, and the shack will be in front of you, and then steering will be like up here, hopefully. Come down like right through the body here, through like under here, right here. Get the U-joint into the steering thing and connect it all in here. And so that's the layout. You got the sprockets lined up for the engine to the axle. And took the brakes off, or, well, I just took the lines off. Brakes on the back. So that's what it looks like right now. Just sitting there. So, this is what I think is the best way to do this. Because there's nowhere else for the shock to go. So, that's what I think. So I got this part out of here, made this little cardboard thing where it goes like that for the shock mount. So it lines up with that right there. And it goes to the edge of there, and it, since this part hangs off, we can have it like up there. You can't see. There. So this part of the body goes right here up. So this is where I end up.